I'm Dr. Sujit Chatterjee, practicing homeopathy since 1984. I passed from Gujarat Homeopathic Medical College, Sauli, and since then practicing in Bombay only. At Dadar is my clinic. I'm also senior consultant at the Adasong Academy, Andheri. My basic qualification is BSc I've done with chemistry, DHMS, and FCH I've done from Adasong Academy. I would like to say what I understand about homeopathy. Homeopathy is a simple systemic science which treats the patient as a whole and which stimulates the body resistance power so that body itself fights with the organism. About my specialization, of course, along with children's disease, autoimmune disease like thyroid problem, skin problem, vitiligo problem, PCOD. Along with that, I also treat many cancer cases. I had opportunity to see cancer patients right from my initial days, and mostly I see two types of cancer cases. One, I handle it purely with homeopathy, and secondly, even though patient has done surgery or has taken chemotherapy or radiation, still we give homeopathic medicine to nullify the side effects of chemo or radiation, and with homeopathic medicine we stimulate the resistance power, we prevent the relapse. Also along with that, importance of diet and exercise, meditation is very important. So in a holistic way, we treat the patient as a whole and we fight with the cancer along with the patient. And this brings a very permanent, soothing healing as well as we combat the cancer. What comes to my mind is a cancer case came to this Adasong Academy several years ago. It was a thyroid cancer case, confirmed case, and patient's brother expired due to pancreatic cancer. So patient knew the agony of chemotherapy and radiation and surgery. Under any circumstances, didn't want to take allopathy. So very challenging case. Initially we started with some remedy, say carcinosin. Then he had some strong grief about brother's death. Later on we gave Ignatia. Then he had lot of cough and thyroid cancer, at one point spongy also. And we took the case in detail, where grief, perspiration staining the linen, he weeps alone, lot of symptoms came, whatever it is. And after giving Natramur, when we saw the report, totally cancer disappeared. And now several years have passed without touching a single paracetamol. Case is completely, totally cured with homeopathy. And he was not affording patient, he was working in BST. So that gave me enough confidence. If one patient does so much better, so many cases we can heal. And here beauty was, I treated cancer as if I am treating a common cold. Whatever state was available, I addressed. But the disease disappeared totally. So that gave me a lot of satisfaction that only with homeopathy, advanced cancer can be cured. Future of homeopathy is very bright for me, because nowadays so much commercialization everywhere. Every day we read in newspaper about the side effects of chemo, etc., etc. Homeopathy is the only science which is aiming at the immunity level. It increases the immunity and resistance power. It stimulates the healer within so that we ourselves can fight with the disease. It is not depending upon some allopathic external agent. So if we can increase the immunity, is nothing like that. And last but not least, one of the main reasons of many diseases as well as cancer is unresolved emotional issues. So homeopathy can address these unresolved issues, can address the emotional issues, and really as a whole we can aim at the cure in a very nice holistic way, along with diet, exercise, and healthy thinking, spirituality, etc., etc. Thank you.